In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a birthday card using ChatGPT. Making a personalized birthday card can be a thoughtful gesture, and with the help of AI, you can add a special touch without too much effort. So, let's dive right in and see how this can be done step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. This initial step is all about getting ourselves set up to access the powerful ChatGPT tool, which will assist us in crafting an engaging birthday message and card. Once you've reached Google, type ChatGPT into the search bar. This will generate the search results where you'll find the link to the ChatGPT website. It's usually one of the top results, making it convenient and easy to find. After you've located the ChatGPT website in the search results, click on it. This will take you to the home page of ChatGPT, where we can start interacting with the AI to get creative with our birthday card ideas. Now, it's time to get a little creative. In the text box provided on the ChatGPT website, type your first prompt. For our example, let's say you want to write a heartfelt and slightly funny birthday message for your grandfather, who happens to be a huge basketball fan. You can write something like, "Write a heartfelt and slightly funny birthday message for my grandfather Stephen Curry, who is turning 80. Mention his love for basketball." Once your prompt is ready, go ahead and click on the Submit button. This will send your prompt to the AI, and in just a few seconds, you'll receive a creative and personalized birthday message that you can use in your card. Next, it's time to design the visual aspect of your card, which is the front cover. Click on the search bar again to enter a new prompt. For this, you could request something like, generate an image of a beautiful watercolor illustration of a basketball court with a few golden number 80 balloons floating above, with a picture of old Stephen Curry in a vertical/portrait orientation, 5 by 7 inches. After typing in the new prompt, click on Submit once more. ChatGPT will process your request and return a detailed image that matches your description. This image can then serve as the cover for your birthday card. And there you have it. You've just used ChatGPT to create a custom birthday card that is both personal and unique. Remember, the possibilities are endless with AI. So feel free to experiment with different prompts to create something truly special for your loved ones. Happy card making!